In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel AutoPay or e-bill in Bank of America online banking. Let's get started by signing into your Bank of America online banking account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, head to the Bill Pay section. You'll see it labeled clearly as Bill Pay in the main navigation. This is where all of your billers and payment settings are managed, so it's the hub for anything related to scheduled or recurring payments. Next, find the specific biller you want to update. This could be a utility, a credit card, or any company you've set up in Bill Pay. Select that biller to open its details. Inside the biller's settings, look for an option labeled AutoPay, Recurring Payment, or e-bill. AutoPay typically means Bank of America is automatically scheduling payments for you on a recurring basis. E-bill means you're receiving the bill electronically through Bank of America, and sometimes e-bill can be linked with automatic payments. If you see an active AutoPay or recurring payment toggle or link, choose cancel. The wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the option that turns off future automatic payments for that biller. When you select cancel, the site will usually ask you to go ahead and confirm the cancellation to make sure the change is saved. Keep in mind, cancelling AutoPay stops future payments from being scheduled. It won't reverse any payment that's already in process. If a confirmation number or message appears, consider saving it for your records. After you've cancelled, it's a smart move to review your upcoming payments. Navigate to your scheduled or upcoming payments list within Bill Pay and make sure there are no remaining automatic payments for that biller. If you see any payments that are still listed as scheduled and you don't want them to go through, check the date and status to confirm whether they were created before you cancelled. Verifying this right away helps avoid surprises and ensures the change took effect. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you manage multiple billers, repeat this process for each one you want to update. If your billing cycle is close to a due date, cancelling AutoPay may not affect a payment that's already queued. And if you rely on AutoPay to avoid late fees, set yourself a reminder or plan an alternative payment method so you stay current. That's it. You've successfully turned off AutoPay or e-bill for your selected biller and confirmed that future payments are no longer scheduled.